Hello, everyone, and welcome to Infinite Minds. Have you ever watched a child completely absorbed in an activity, their face alight with concentration and joy? That's the magic of Montessori learning. Today in this episode, we're here to talk to you about Montessori learning. This method has been fostering children's natural curiosity and love for learning for over a century. The Montessori method was developed by Dr. Maria Montessori, Italy's first female physician. Dr. Montessori's groundbreaking work with children began in the early 1900s. She believed that children are naturally eager to learn and have an innate ability to guide their own development. She saw that traditional educational methods often stifled this natural curiosity. In contrast, the Montessori method provides a prepared environment where children can explore, experiment, and learn at their own pace. Now, let's delve into the fundamental principles of the Montessori approach. There are 5 key areas in a Montessori classroom. 1. Practical life. Activities like pouring, spooning, and buttoning clothes help children develop fine motor skills, concentration, and independence. 2. Sensorial. Materials with varying textures, colours and weights help children refine their senses and develop their perception of the world around them. 3. Mathematics. Concrete materials like beads and blocks make abstract mathematical concepts tangible and understandable for young children. 4. Language. Sandpaper letters, movable alphabets, and rich language experiences foster reading and writing skills. 5. Culture. Activities involving geography, history, science, and art expose children to the wonders of the world and different cultures. Montessori classrooms are designed to be multi-age environments, typically grouping children in 3-year spans. This allows younger children to learn from older peers, and older children to reinforce their learning by teaching concepts to younger ones. The mixed-age setting also fosters a sense of community and cooperation. The Montessori approach offers a refreshing contrast to traditional schooling. While traditional education often relies heavily on rote learning and teacher-directed instruction, Montessori takes a different path. Imagine a classroom where children are empowered to choose their own activities and progress at their own individual pace. This is the essence of self-directed learning, a cornerstone of the Montessori method. Learning becomes an active, engaging process through hands-on activities and the use of concrete materials that bring concepts to life. Furthermore, Montessori education recognizes that each child is unique. Teachers carefully observe each child's interests and abilities, providing personalized support that allows them to flourish. Perhaps most importantly, the Montessori environment cultivates a sense of independence and responsibility. Children are encouraged to take ownership of their learning journey and contribute to the care of their classroom community. Children who attend Montessori schools often develop strong problem-solving skills, a love for learning, and a sense of independence. They become self-confident, adaptable, and creative thinkers. These qualities are invaluable in today's rapidly changing world. You might be wondering if it's possible to bring the magic of Montessori into your own home, and the answer is a resounding yes. Imagine a space where your child can freely explore and engage with their surroundings. You can create a Montessori-inspired environment by thoughtfully designing your home. Think child-sized furniture and tools that allow your child to actively participate in everyday tasks like cooking and cleaning. Offer open-ended toys like blocks, puzzles, and art materials that spark creativity and exploration. Organization is key. Arrange your home with accessible shelves and clearly defined spaces for different activities. This prepared environment fosters independence and a sense of order. Embrace the concept of freedom within limits, where you set clear expectations and boundaries while giving your child the freedom to make choices and explore their interests. Most importantly, be a keen observer of your child. Pay close attention to their interests and provide activities that nurture their development and passions. Remember, the key to Montessori is following the child. Observe your child's interests, provide them with opportunities to explore, and trust in their innate ability to learn and grow. While Montessori education can benefit children of all ages, the most impactful period is generally considered to be between the ages of 2.5 and 6 years old. This is a time of tremendous growth and development when children are particularly receptive to the hands-on, self-directed learning that Montessori offers. However, the principles of Montessori can be adapted for children of all ages, even into adulthood. In conclusion, Montessori education is more than just a teaching method, it's a way of life. It's about fostering a love for learning, encouraging independence, and respecting the child's natural development. By creating a prepared environment and providing opportunities for exploration, we can help children reach their full potential and become confident, capable individuals. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We will meet you again in the next delivery of Infinite Minds.